Hey, it's your boy Joey, doing some chores, cooking some food, listening to some music. It's a couple days before the wedding. It's going to be another not edited video. I just want to let everybody know I'm going to be live streaming this wedding for my little brother because he's got cancer treatment things and he's going to feel like garbage. So he doesn't want to drive the 2 hours or whatever it is to get down there and hang out in a church. I get it. So yeah, if you want to watch, you can. It'll mostly be up there for my little brother so he can be there in his way. But yeah, it's gonna be Saturday, 11 a.m. I think I can get in there at 10. I don't know when I'll start, but I'll be having this stuff streaming. So yeah, I'm gonna finish cooking my dinner and meal prep or whatever, and my hand hurts. Ooh. Anyways, peace out. Have fun. See you Saturday.